My name's Luke Taylor. The history of rooster truck racing started in 2010 at Germany Nürburgring circuit in front of 200,000 spectators.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone.
The mornings of the race, I wake up really nervous. I can't eat. When I'm getting changed into my race gear for the start of the race, a million and one things running through my head. Is everything fine? Double check all the switches. Driving the truck from the paddock area up to the racetrack, it's quite spectacular. Just before the race is about to start, all the engines are running, everyone's all got the same mindset of winning. When the flag drops, it's all go.
Wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gone.
When you're all going for the same corner, it's quite nerve-wracking because all you can see is the back of someone. The mad feeling is going down the hill. Everyone goes for inside to get the apex, and I go around the outside. I'm currently racing an MEN TGX, 12 litre, straight six, race spec engine, made by Jochen Hahn. We've called him Klaus. It delivers 1150 brake horsepower and has 5,500 newton metres of torque. And it's quite daunting when you finally get round someone and someone else is there, facing the wrong way. I nearly took the wall down. The truck was a mess, yeah, a big mess. Took 6 weeks non-stop work to fix it. I want next day though, put me in my neck. Klaus is currently lapping round Brands Hatch 59 seconds, which is quite impressive. So the lightweight touring cars are doing it in 49 seconds and they're not restricted. And we're weighing in at 5 ton.
Oh shit, that's loud.
Brands Hatch is my favourite track because everything about it just ticks all the boxes. It's full of cambers, off cambers, dips, hills, everything in one really. But yeah, you have to be brave, don't you? You have to be super brave. On the last lap, the last few corners, you've got to keep it all together because everyone's trying to make the last lunges. They'll try anything they can do to get past you. And then when you cross the line, it's like a massive relief, but it's emotional time as well. When I go up on the podium, it's a really great feeling for me and the team, but it's not just for me, it's just the team has put a load of hard work in over the last couple of days prior to the race weekend.
It's not warm when she's away.
I've drove fast cars round tracks, I've ridden fast bikes round tracks, but nothing gives me the same feeling as racing a truck.
She's gone.